Hi, it's Mrs. Morin, and today we're going to be subtracting from the number 7 today. And we are going to be using the 5 group way to write the number 7. So because we're subtracting, I am going to be using words like minus, which I'm sure you've heard before, minus. And I'm also going to be using words like take. Bet you can say the rest of that. Take away. Minus and take away. And we're going to be writing the number 7. And I hope you can see him smiling at you because I think he is. In the 5 group way, which means when we do the number 7, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to write it first with 5 in a group and then 6, 7 because we have 5 fingers on a hand. All right. So let's make sure you see him smiling because he is. There he is. He's very happy you're with us today. All right. So let's go on. Now, the number 7 is going to be even happier if you do the work with us. So I want you to use a piece of paper or a notebook or whatever you have to write on. And I want you to have a pencil. And it's always a good idea in math class to have an eraser so that we can correct any of our mistakes. All right, so here we go. So here's our cookie jar. And I see there's 7 cookies in there. And it looks like someone is going to eat 3. So how many would be left for us? So first, let's make sure that there's actually 7 cookies in there. And if you can count with me, I would really love that. All right. So count with me. 1. I'm not hearing you. 2. Still not hearing you. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. So I'm starting with 7 cookies in there. It looks like M&M cookies, right? My favorite. 7 cookies. And someone's going to eat 1, 2, 3. So I'm taking away 3. How many are going to be left for you and me to share? Let's count them. You're going to count them with me, okay? 1. I'm not hearing you. 2, 3, 4. 4 cookies left for you and me to share. There we go. So let's once again write our original number 7 in the 5 group way because we have 5 fingers on our hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 and 7. We're going to take away, we're going to eat 1, 2, 3, and we have our 4 left. All right, so let's go on. I think we should do one more cookie example. All right. Here is a cookie plate with 7 cookies. So once again, let's count them together. Count them out loud with me. All right. These look like chocolate chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's say somebody ate 2 of them. How many would be left for us? So we started with 7. Somebody eats 1. Somebody eats 2. And how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. Take away 2 equals 5. But now I think we're pretty good at this, and I think we don't have to do it with cookies anymore. So let's see if we can do it with our numbers written in the 5 group way with a number bond. A bond is things being held together with these lines, okay? So here it is in the 5 group way. what we've been doing, it's the number 7, 5, 6, 7, and we're going to take away 2. So let's do our taking away 2 by crossing them out. 1 take away. I hope you're saying it with me and doing it with me. 2. Let's do it here too. 7 minus or take away 2. And what am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 dots left. Okay, 7 minus 2 equals 5. Wow, we're getting pretty good at this, right? We don't need those cookies. All right, here we go. So now here's 7 drawn again in the 5 group way. What happens when we take away 5? So let's use our silly color orange. All right, and let's take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what, let's write that here, minus or take away 5. Let me make that clear. It doesn't look that clear to me. 7 minus 5 or 7 take away 5. How many are left? 1, 2. And let's write our number sentence here. 7 minus 5 equals 2. All right. All right, last one. Let's see. Try to do this one. Let's see. I'm going to do it here, but let's see if you can do it on your own too. All right. So let's see. Do we have another silly color up here? Ah, I love my purple. Okay, let's try purple. See, it says, what happens when we take away 4? So we know that means we have to cross out 4. 3, that was 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count what's left. 1, 2, I have 3 left. I bet you could even do that without crossing out, right? So 7 take away 4 gives me 3 left. 7 minus 4 gives me 3. Okay, excellent. So let's see, let's summarize what we've done today. All right, we've used the number bonds, which is where a number is connected to other numbers. All right, and when we use, like, let's use this as an example, 7 minus 5 equals 2. 7 minus 5, here they crossed it out, gives me my answer. So the number I'm subtracting and the answer are both in the number bond, right? All right, how do the number bonds and the number sentences go together? So let's look at that. All right, let's use a different color here. Let's use our silly red. All right, so I have here a number sentence, 7 minus 4 equals 3. And here it is, 7 minus 4, they have it crossed out here, equals 3. They go together hand in hand. All right. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.